Chone Lendur, please, from the Department of Immigration.
I would like to announce 2012 Fijian Host of the Year goes to Joe Gray. There you go. Many a times in providing service in Fiji, it's not just at the airport, but through civil servants and various other agencies, we all tend to become very territorial. We only tend to look after or think about only our turf. The reality is that your turf would never exist if the other turf did not exist also. So I think the idea is to ensure that apart from creating that sense of engendering that idea that we have to be nice or good and spread that bulla smile to those people who are entering or leaving Fiji, it also must help us recognize that we all need to work together. We will have the facilities that you can get in Brisbane and Auckland. That's what we're aiming for. But we'll be different from them. And that is we have the Fijian hospitality in our airport. So we can be a modern outfit, we can have a modern facility, a modern airport, a modern country, but not lose that Fijian hospitality spirit that we have. And I think that is how we can really position ourselves. The government has also initiated, as announced by the Prime Minister, we are starting a 4-laning road from Nasoso Junction all the way towards Nadi town. That of course is there to ease the flow of traffic, to get people in and out of the airport as smoothly as possible. So a number of exciting things are happening, and we all of course need to jump on that bandwagon, rally together, and ensure that we all work together as a team to ensure that at the end of the day, anybody coming to our country enjoys that Fijian hospitality that we are promoting and that we are actually well known for.